Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials I'm going to show you how to use the learning management system of VEDAMO. I hope you find this useful. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a custom survey for your organization. Post-session surveys on VEDAMO allow you to create questions in the form of a survey at the end of each session. This is a great way to get direct feedback from participants after each session. To create a custom survey, first locate the submenu Post-Session Surveys under the Sessions menu. When you open it, you will see a list of all surveys created in the Academy, the creator of the survey, the number of questions, the last update of the survey, and the last reply. Click on the green plus Create a Survey button. Note that only the organizational account and admins can create surveys. In the new window, you have to name your custom survey, add a description, and create questions. You can create questions in different languages by using the option Show Survey in Different Languages. Click on the drop-down menu and select. Note that the system does not automatically translate the question in different languages. You will have to manually type the question in the languages you selected. To create a question, click on the Add New Question button. There are three options: Thumbs Up Down, Ranking 0-10, and Free Text. In the end, click on Save. You have different options for the surveys. You can see details such as name, description, answers, last update, etc. by clicking on View. You can edit the survey from Edit, also add or delete questions. Export of the survey's answers is also possible. Open a survey from the list. You can either export all answers for all questions in the custom survey or answers to a specific question. To set a default survey for the whole Academy, go to General Settings. Scroll down until you see the Post-Session Surveys section. From the drop-down menu, you can select which survey you want to be the default survey for the whole Academy. In another video, we explained how permanent links work. As an addition, a custom survey can be assigned to a session or a permanent link. To do so, find the permanent link you want to edit and open it. Scroll all the way down until you see the Post-Session Surveys section and select which custom survey you want from the drop-down menu. Post-session surveys can help improve session quality, tailor future content to meet participants' needs, and enhance overall educational effectiveness. Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!